Hi, welcome back to the LollyLaw Intro Training video series. My name is Bethany. I'm with the customer support team here at LollyLaw, and today I will be showing you the time and expense tab from within a contact record and then a matter record. Let's get started. As you can see, we're already at the snapshot page from within our contact record. And to go to the time and expense tab, we're simply going to select time and expense from this top tab along the contact record. Bring you to the time and expense page from within a contact record. The purpose of the time and expense page is to show the value of the time that you have entered. So all of the time that you have tracked and entered and the value of that time will be displayed. When you're within the contact record, the time and expense page includes time tracked in every matter that contact is associated with. As you can see, the matter numbers are varying because we have multiple matters open with this contact. You can also filter on the time and expense page from time only, expenses only, or events only. In addition to that, you can use this downloading cloud icon to export the time and expense sheet as an Excel file. Now let's open a matter record and look at the time and expense tab from within a matter. We'll go to this matter tab along the left sidebar, and we'll open a matter record. In the matter record, we will click on the time and expense tab from the upper options along the matter record. And here you can see the time entered and the value of that time for a specific matter record. This is only going to be entered for this matter and not the other matters related to the client. Similar to the time and expense page from within a contact record, you can filter by time only, expense only, or event only. And you can also use this cloud download button to export as an Excel file. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, please look at our help site, help.lollylaw.com, or email us at support@lollylaw.com, and we are always happy to help you answer any questions that you may have.